If your iPhone camera isn't working, it's black, frozen, or just not opening, here's how to fix it step by step. First of all, force close the camera app. Swipe up from the bottom and find the camera app preview. Then swipe it up to close. After that, reopen the camera app and this fixes most glitches instantly. Next, restart your iPhone. A quick restart can clear out any temporary bugs. Power it off, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. Next, check for any iOS update and for that go to your settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into software update and if an update is available, install it. Camera issues are sometimes fixed in newer iOS version. Then, test with other apps. Open apps like Instagram, Snapchat or WhatsApp. Then, check if the camera works there. If third-party apps also cannot access it, it may be a system level issue. Next, check camera restrictions and for that go back to the main settings menu, then scroll down and tap on screen time. After that, go into content and privacy restriction and tap on allowed app and features. Here, make sure camera is turned on. If it's off, the camera app won't open at all. If nothing works, try resetting all settings. And for that, go back to the main settings menu and tap on General. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and choose Reset all settings from the options. This won't delete your data, just reset system settings like Wi-Fi, layout, etc. And that's all. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.